All right, Charles just got his direction from the trainer. It's a 25 mile per hour max on the curves. Although the other trainer says that these are impossible to flip, Charles is about to try. Again, October 2nd, BrightDrop fans on Atlanta Motor Speedway. Charles, how are you feeling?
Great, considering the Corvette guy said I've never seen someone take the turns that fast.
Charles is feeling confident in his driving capabilities today. We will see. All right, here we go. Hot lap number 1, BrightDrop van.
Oh, they have the one pedal on.
Charles has got one pedal driving.
I do not want the one pedal on.
He's not a fan. He's in a panic mode trying to find the button to change one pedal driving. Can he do it?
Yes, that's right.
Can Charles find the button? He found the button. One pedal is off. We are entering Atlanta Motor Speedway in a BrightDrop.
Alright, let's go and find our way up to about 40 or so miles an hour. This will get us down towards the turn at the end. We are going to slow down to about 20 to 25 miles an hour. Most of the vehicles are in one pedal, so you can just use the one pedal to do that, or you can use brakes either one. So, once again, we're going to keep a very tight group, maximum of 2 car lengths trailing distance. Once we find our way up to the front straightaway, we'll go ahead and apply full acceleration.
Charles is about to apply full acceleration on the BrightDrop as he comes around the corner. Feel the speed coming on to Atlanta Motor Speedway. How you feeling, Charles? Here we go into the corner, 66 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour faster than they recommend. They said they can't be rolled. How's it feeling, Charles?
Man, slow.
Charles is not impressed.
Alright, we're on the back straightaway. One more time, we're going to go ahead and head on up to speed.
Back stretch, Charles, let's see how fast he can get it. 52, 57, 62, and he's on the brakes at 67 miles an hour, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
This time around, we're going to head up to the first straightaway. We're going to hold tightly to the white line and then pass through the 2 orange cones on the side.